Hi everyone, this is CS50. I'm Jessica here with Andrew and William, and they're going to demo their project for us. So can you tell me a little bit about what your project does?
Yeah, so what we've done for our project is to create a lost and found site for Yale, the Yale community. So we're trying to find a way in order for people to declare lost or found items and try to have people return their items back to their given or lost users.
Right, and so when you first come to our site, you'll be taken to our login page, which displays our logo and a small description. But since we've never been here before, let's create a new account. That'll bring us to an account page, and we are going to create a CS50 specific account. Filling out required information about a name, a username, a phone number, which will be random for now, and we'll also put in a simple password just for the sake of today. When we create an account, we'll be brought to our home page, where you can learn a little bit more about our site, our mission, and also see some buttons that might help you navigate the site. At the bottom of the home page, you'll see a recently found section with items that have recently been found on the site. But I can't see what we're looking for there today, so let's log a new lost item. Today, David has lost his famous phone book, and we can list some more attributes of the phone book. It's yellow, it's good condition, not very good, and he last saw it at the Center for Teaching and Learning, which is right around the corner from Sterling Memorial Library. His phone book is important, but not that important, so he's going to offer a $5 reward for anyone who finds it. And when we submit, we'll be brought to a new page with our account.
And this account page basically says what David has logged for lost items and items that he's actually found. So people who have lost these items but haven't logged what they've found, what they've lost, can actually look for these find items. Now, if we go to the find page, we could see what other people have declared lost. And let's say that David actually finds the TD flag. So he finds the TD flag and everything, and he wants the $356 reward for the TD flag. So all he has to do is press the more information button. And then we see that our head of college, Mary Lou, has actually lost our TD flag. And therefore, all we have to do is contact ml@yale.edu, and hopefully we could return the TD flag back to it for its rightful owner. Now, finally, the big thing about our app is once someone actually finds our lost phone book, we don't actually have to keep it back on the site. So what we've done is that once David has found his phone book, all we have to do is press this found button and confirm we found the item and delete it from the database forever.
That's really awesome and impressive, and also super useful. Like, I wish I had this when I lost my hat the other year. Yeah, so what kind of technologies did you use when building this web app?
So we decided that we wanted to create mainly a website, and so knowing that we've used like Python and HTML in the past, especially when we're working on our past presets, we wanted to base our code off of that. So we used a lot of Python. For our database holding all of our information, we use SQL, and we use HTML, CSS, Java for kind of the front end of the app.
Yeah, had you guys ever used Python and HTML and SQL before coming to CS50?
Not before CS50. I actually hadn't done any coding before CS50. And I don't know, just looking at this now, it's kind of remarkable how big the improvement has been. So it's cool to be able to combine all those different languages into one comprehensive project.
Yeah, that's really great. What was the most exciting part of building this, or also like the challenges that you faced?
I think the biggest challenges we've definitely had to face is just debugging the code, because I think it takes a lot of patience in order to find like the minuscule errors that you might have made, like just spelling errors or like some variable errors that you might just need to kind of like slowly debug and take your time. But I think it was also a really fun project because we actually got to make a lot of decisions for ourselves, like how to create our own database, how to basically format our like code, our HTML, our CSS to make it look just as aesthetic as it does right now. And so I think it had there was a lot of fun parts to the job, but also a lot of challenges that came along with it as well.
Yeah, definitely. Well, it turned out really great. All the aesthetics are very nice, and I know that's quite difficult to do, so I'm very impressed. Thank you so much for showing us your demo of your project.
Thank you.
I'm Jessica, and this is CS50.